to all and all present over here. Today we are the students of Mr. Mukesh Goswami sir, and we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, and the topic is the historical movement about the 2020. So friends, we know that it is October 2020, and we were facing too much big problem in 2020, and among of them the very big problem we had just facing it, I think so, that is coronavirus. But if you are giving the example among of this, thus we have the lots of moments of this. So Ravi Bhaiya, what's your concept about this? Give me briefly moments about that.
Yeah, what to say about the 2020? Just we welcome 2020 and the first year 2020. At that time, just we welcome very nicely. Just people were thinking that the 2020 will be very nice, but people just were thinking, but it was not good, too much good, because the people just thinking the market system, and the most important thing is the coronavirus which was spread from the China, Wuhan. It was from the marketing. At that time the people were thinking the corona will be stopped very fastly, but at the time of 1st January 2020, the Rajasthan Chief Minister just celebrated the no vehicle day. At that time the Chief Minister thought that by celebrating these festivals the pollution will be decreased. So it was the very first day, it was a very good day for the Chief Minister of Rajasthan. And the second big news from the RBI, Reserve Bank of India, just launched the Money app, which will be very important for the people to be comfort. And the third big news from the GST, Good and Service Tax. Before coronavirus, the GST was very good, because at that time most of the applications, most of the games were just published by the China. And at that time the marketing system was very good. At that time the GST was 1,03,084 crore. At that time all the marketing system was very good. But in this time after coronavirus, just we are facing lots of problems, and just it is decreased very fastly.
At January, I want to say that one incident happened in the Africa, that there were lots of French fire in the Africa. Due to this reason, lots of animals and persons lost their lives because of the natural disaster. And it was happened in 5th January. Just we can say that from the starting of this year, we lost the lots of animal and their species also, and it is being destroyed in our world. So it's the biggest disaster for the nature.
Yeah, after that, we are celebrating New Year's, and meanwhile we found a first patient of COVID-19 in Kerala, and in this during we found more and more, then it will be increasing more corona patients.
Yes, you are. Yes, Harith, I agree with your point. That we are also saying that in the our government has given a facility in each home. The doctors were going to their home and they were checking up. It is also good thing.
Guys, 122 million estimated jobless in India. Somewhere the fault of the governments.
I think that year 2020 is a special one, and I think that it is only not a special one because of the natural disasters and all the means the danger thing which had happened to the means what you can say means the harmful of our living beings or any means living creature. Many good things also had happened to the 2020 till October. I think that India has brought the jet fighter of Rafale, which will be righted by our first woman jet crafter, which is who is the means Shivangi Singh. And after that, I think that in 2020, many of the person are too much.
First women driver. Also.
Many of the person too much teased from the natural disasters such as the natural pandemic coronavirus. But I think that it is not a matter of only concern that it is harmful to our living beings and all our human beings. But it has also given the social message to us that we should live in a better way. We should take care of the natural things and the environments, so that we can avoid this type of natural disasters.
Yeah, as Rajesh told about the Rafale. The length of the Rafale is 15.5 meter and the height of the Rafale is 10.5 meter. And the weight of Rafale is an overall 6.7 tons. And if you think about the fuel tank, then it is the 4.7 tons fuel. And it was just arrived 29th July by the Ambati Airbase. So Rafale, which is helping us, and which will also look after our country. So it is very beneficial for us, and I am proud of this.
Yeah, and one thing is also present that so we have a good thing for us. First of all, the India first time organized that the first weapon expo in India, and it is a very proudable thing for us because it is the first time to go the lots of countries are present to hear for reciting his weapons. And after some time, Narendra Modi said us, after some time we will be create a company for making a weapon machines like aircrafts, air carriers, and lots of things. And it is a very good thing because everyone know that India is the second largest the population country, and India is the second largest army here. That's why Narendra Modi decided why we are going for the second position, why we should go for the first position. That's why it is a first step to going to first position for these things, and it is a very proudable thing for us. And everyone know that the first India has organized that the weapon expo in Godavari Nadi, and it is a very good thing for us because in the expo lots of machines are present. Like first, without any weapon, we can learn how to aim the enemies. And
So
also,
Gujarat
and
is-
anyone also
Gujarat
there,
is one-
Modi
Gujarat-
also do that.
Gujarat is one of the just a state where the all weapons are be just tested.
Yeah.
So, and I think so. Within this type of things, where states are also be increase their economic cultural events also.
Yeah.
So I think so. The most of this among of we are just knowing about the bad things also. But when we will remembering the good things, that most of the percentage of this all the things are also be happened.
Yeah.
But if you are telling about the first, I think so. In this year, most of the first utilize all the things like weapons, culture, events, socially,
Yeah.
and first women or auto drivers.
We can't
drivers
forget
also.
our
we
environment
have
pure
just found,
so much.
but I think so. I think so. In the India first, it is also be happening in the first time where the GDP is being and minus. I
Yeah.
think so. So I think it is being it will be the harmful for us, but among of them we will try.
I think that in the expose of the Rafales, we made a good relationship with the France also. When in Galwan Ghati disputing was happening with China and India, at that time, France, America, Rus, these are countries were supporting to us because of the good relationship our. And also Nepal, first time he against the India. Why? Because having protection of the China. So it also considered happened to bad for the India because India also always support to the Nepal.
Yeah, you are saying about that about the America and the Rus and the Russia. There are so many countries, and that we are also listening that America is giving the submarines to the Indians for fighting with China.
Day by day, jobless people increasing in India. Who is responsible? Comments are responsible. He won't come out from inside. He don't know what is happening for outside. You know that guys, there in India, the lots of poor people live in India. Okay, so the lots of difficulties, the lots of problems is face Indian peoples.
Also, I would like to tell that in this 2020 the GDP is too much minus. Okay, but apart from this, if you show then then you will see that the agriculture in which the 3.4 it is increased because of the environment. We know that, guys, coronavirus is a very bad news for everyone. But even then, within the lockdown, there are too many good thing is being what happened with anyone. Just like we are just spending our more time with together within the lockdown. The crime and the rape cases too much decrease. Why? Because they are not wandering here and there. So because of the lockdown, there are so many good things was happened. In the same way, I would like to tell about the bad thing. Just like our education, it now also we are just facing the problem of the education because schools and colleges it's right now also closed. So this is the very bad thing of the coronavirus.
They are providing the
Yeah.
online classes.
Yeah, you know that of the farmer they have lost so much money. If they want to cut the rice and the wheat, you know that in their field the water has been filled up. That's why they can't able to cut their goods.
Since we know that India is a country of agriculture, and I think that we the people of India we are losing this trend day by day. I think that most of the people of India and Indian society were migrating here and there just for earning money, but we are not focusing on the farming. That was the mainstay of our livelihood for our India's people. But now during the COVID days, all the people were focused on the farming. Or the people who were migrated from here and there all came at one places, came at their villages, and they started to focus on what they have already, in spite of doing this and that work. And now that is the reason I think that which will also improve the livelihood and living status of a people. Just because that Indian people were not poor, but the thinking of the and mentality of the Indian people was poor, which leads to the poverty and several things which were coming as an obstacle for their livelihood.
And
If you all are just giving the concept about the agriculture practices, I think so I would like to say something that in the previous day the Bihar was facing too much problem about the flood. So what do you want to speak about that?
Yeah, about the flood that people can't able to go for their duties, and they have in their home the water has been filled up. They were living in the floor of their houses.
I can say that it's a natural disaster because every year Bihar's person face the flood problem, and because of the natural disaster we are interface the nature too much. That's when now nature is playing to us that we will have to face it.
Flood is just a natural disaster, and no one can beat this.
But as compared to that, it was too big.
We can just only prevent this. It means not at a bigger stance. But I think that if all the people will focus on the agriculture, if all the people will focus on the farming, our government will also focus on the farmers. That I think that what initiative should they take on that to prevent the flood. And I think that yes, if all the people will raise their voice that just we won't go here and there for our livelihood, we will do whatever we have in our state, then I think that government will also take initiative and stop the flood and whatever the
How we
natural
can,
disaster
And it was also because of the China, because they had just opened the bridge of the Gomti Nadi. That's why the reason.
Yeah, what is the reason behind this, the flood?
Flood.
Because the reason is here deforestation. The people are daily by daily cutting the trees. Trees are also protecting the land. They are also joining the land. Their soil means the mixture with the soil. That is also protecting the when water is coming. At that time, the trees are protecting the soil. This means if the people are cutting the trees, at that time flood will absolutely come. Why Jharkhand people are not facing the floods? Because here lots of trees are present, but the Bihar and most of the cities like the Delhi. Okay, Delhi is also a city where is a more polluted city. In this time during the coronavirus, after coronavirus, most of the cities are cleaned, or just most of the birds and most of the peacocks are also coming because after the coronavirus. And if you think about the Mumbai city is also the big city and it is the most populated city. But during the after coronavirus, most of the sea animals, just like the dolphin and some water animals, just coming to the seashore and just they were playing and jumping here and there. So by looking this, we can feel very beautiful. So that was a good thing about the coronavirus.
Animals was also enjoying the movement about
Yeah.
the environment.
That was a good
They are,
thing.
Yes,
they are
yes,
just
something
playing
about
with the
that.
environment as the leaf or the branch and the trees also.
You know, my friend,
I think anyone knows that the Bihar are situated in the downside. Globally, they are situated in the downside. And why they are suffering with the fluid? No, because India, everyone knows that the Bihar is a global. Bihar is situated in the downside of the earth. Okay, that's why he's suffering with the fluid.
Bihar, Assam,
Fluid.
and the
And the
Tamil Nadu.
Jharkhand is also situated in the height side of the
High
globally
area.
higher. That's why you can't. And are you saying right? Tree is very important because tree are the binder. It is bind to our earth mixtures. Okay.
Silence.
Okay, like that. So tree is important, but it's not important that tree doesn't hear. That's why we are suffering with this type of problem. Okay.
It's a discrimination in between the scopes.
Yeah. If you study with global, then arithmetical, then you so there.
you know, my friend, there are lots of film industries actors lost some of its gems in 2020. First actor is Sushant Singh Rajput, second actor is Imran Khan, and third actor is Rishi Kapoor.
Before we didn't know coronavirus is to come, because at the time we weren't ready for coronavirus, and after coming coronavirus, the government gave a statement that we will have to we will have to stay in our houses, and suddenly 22nd March our government lockdown will be done in all our country, and meanwhile that during lockdown suddenly we knew about that Visakhapatnam. In Visakhapatnam, 13 people are killed from gas leak at Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. So suddenly we knew about that. So during lockdown.
I want to comment the Jafar Vyas point that he told that about the Bollywood, Sushant Singh Rajput. 29 April we lost the Irfan Khan, and 30 April we lost the Rishi Kapoor, and 14 June we lost the SSR, Sushant Singh Rajput. Because of his suicide, we knew about the reality of the Bollywood. Lots of reality has been shown by Bollywood, and people also that what's going on the Bollywood. Star kids only they are giving only Bollywoods are giving a chance to them. And who is the outsider, they are not able to make their one personality on the Bollywood. Why? Because of the money also, and nepotism also. Nepotism is going on Bollywood in too much. Because of this also, outsiders are not able to make their one personality on the Bollywood.
Most of the actor or actress, they are just upper their hand behind the nepotism, because they are also suffering from that problem. And now all the guys, they are too much excited that after the lockdown what will happen with the Bollywood. Too many people, they dislike the Bollywood movies. They don't boycott the Bollywood's movies. So these are the in this year we know about that Bollywood history or the anything. Before it we don't know about anything. As also everything in this year mean that most of the things it is taught very goodly, just like the nature. Also nature taught us that within the 4 months, that if you respect me, then now also you have capacity to be the good environment. Okay, but if we won't do at that time, I think it can be more danger for us. Yeah, within the 4 months, it can be taught by the nature. That if everything is stopped, mean that if everything will happen in the controlly, at that time the pollution is being decreased, just like the Ganga Ghati. Our Narendra Modi also he just invented a lot of money behind the Ganga Ghati, but it is not clean. But right now within the 4 months, everything is just good.
But no anyone think that. Everyone said that the Bollywood has nepotism. But anyone knows said it about our law? Yeah. Our law, because in the Sushant case, our law always they are hiding this case into the drug case.
Yes.
It is not a good thing for us, okay? Because Sushant Singh Rajput is a very nice actor. He is very talentable. He was a very talentable artist. So it is a not good thing.
But even now nobody know about that Sushant Rajput was killed or he died. But even then everyone are blaming on Bollywood, because there are no any evidence for Sushant Singh Rajput, because some people are saying that they are nepotism. Yeah, it is happening. I don't know about this, but how can you say that it is covered by nepotism? Because Kangana also told a statement that it is Sushant Singh has covered by nepotism, and some news channels are showing their news nepotism, and they have forgotten, and they has been forgotten that what is happening in our country, and lots of news forget that what is happening with our Indian people, and lots of people working and on foot, and there are lots of badness our country in lockdown area. But even then NCB and court also told that it hasn't nepotism. But I don't know what is reason behind it. But now we will have to see what is this.
I think so. Within investigation, most of the cases are just being came in front of us, that like Sri Devi and I think so
But
all the things are also be happening. We can't be say that the nepotism also be present in the Bollywood, the Hollywood. But I think so among of them, if we will judging it, that in every society it is present. I think so, education, society, and also be present. But I think so it will be covered by us, because when we are the educated, then we will be try to comfort in the society also.
In the corona period of 2020, GDP has declined. We know that the economy of every country depends upon three factors: manufacture, agriculture, and service. But we just are in loss every sector.
Now, if you count the negative thing of the means 2020, there are several things. If you count the natural disaster, if you count the means the human-made things, there are lots of several things. From the start, means from the beginning of 2020, bushfire catched in the forest of the Australia, in the Australian forest, where I think that approx 450 people were killed. After that flood came in the Assam. Then after communal riot happened in the Delhi, where several
air crash in Hyderabad.
Air crash in Hyderabad and Ukraine too, where 176 people were died. And in Pakistan, air crash had happened, where several people were died. And I think that we are the people, means we are the human being, and among all the living things, living things, we have too much sense. I think that means positive and negative is both aspects of the living, means the both aspects of a living, and we should take both one, means positive and negative. And we will take the positive of year 2020. There are lots of things in COVID days, and this year in COVID days we learned that how we should live in our house, and how we should start our day. Means before we shouldn't enter in our house before washing our leg and hand, and we should live in a proper manner. We should live in a proper manner. And I think that after happening these all bad things, as we all are saying, and if you have learned these all things, that I think that all the natural disaster and several things which were harmed all the living beings will be, I think that will be totally prohibited in upcoming days or future days.
Yeah, now about the game. If you talk about the game, the 26th February 2020, the one international women cricketer has made the record by beating the century in triple point. So that was a good thing. Now about the IPL, in a Premier League, the match was delayed because of the coronavirus. But now it is played outside of our country, Dubai, Sharjah, lots of stadiums present. Now the record I want to tell about the IPL, RCB versus KKR, the one day ago. The match was played in the Dubai. It was a big stadium, so the match was played. It was a very missed the record. The KKR only made 84 runs in a 20 overs. So it was the record which was never made. And the second record is here. In a 6 over, they could made only 17 runs by losing the 4 wickets. And the third record is here. Mohammad Sajim had took the wicket only 3 wickets. So that was the record of the IPL. So we have to also see that.
Yeah, on 16 August, Mr. Mahendra Singh Dhoni has been declared that I will retire from the international cricket also. And also I want to say one moment about the 24th February, when Donald Trump has come with his wife. At that time we welcomed him by Indian culture and traditional. We presented the Indian and traditional dance and paintings on the walls. And he gets too much pleasure and he began to happy too much from the India.
I think so. Before the coronavirus, America had just announced it that Third World War was to happen. I think so. So because of the coronavirus, it was just hidden.
India's government has banned 59 Chinese mobile apps on the 29th June 2020. I think that it is a very big way of our country.
Yes, I am agree with you, and I think that it was the best step which I had taken nearly means I think that 2 to 5 years that India has taken. India has planned that we should work on made in India things, and now if our PM has implemented these things, that we should boycott the things of the other country and we should start using our Indian made thing. Then it will be beneficial for our people, and it will give the employment to the people who is the jobless in our country. And one thing I would like to say that collectively 2020 is the disastrous year of the decade, and it is not over yet, and we should take care of ourselves, our family, and we should be attentive and careful to ourselves and our works.
Okay, Bhaiya, you are saying about that Chinese app, we should use the Indian app or the Indian brand. That I want to say you that in the Indian brand, it will take too much time for making the Indian brand. What is the reason behind it? Because you know that China has sent so many types of transport the so many types of apps in all over the country because of the communication.
India is one of the not the most country. The America has also been just banned it.
No, that I am saying that about that. China make the so many types of app. There are so many apps. First of all, we have to make like that type of app. It will take too much time.
I just want to say you something that if you are to get something good, if you want to achieve something means good in your life, you have to be patient. If you are not too much patient, if you are means I think that to achieve something, you have to be at least you have to keep at least some patient in yourself. And I only suggest you to don't go on the shortcuts. If India will take time to produce these things, then it will be very good thing for you. It will be not just means use and throw things just like the Chinese.
No, I am not saying that India is making it is bad. It is so good that we will use our Indians branded thing, and we will want the Chinese app thing.
Yeah, you're right, but why has 59 Chinese apps been banned? Because government suddenly seemed that our privacy is being stolen by cyber. So I think there's lots of meaning behind it that government suddenly seemed that we should ban Chinese app, because we operate the phone, because because we don't know what is happened behind it, because there are lots of scandal and cybercrime are present behind it, and whatever we operate in phone, then it is stolen by crime. So I think this type of reasons 59 Chinese app has been banned.
Yeah, if we are just taking the example of it, that we should know about that the Uttar Pradesh is to be just one of the most toy make industry in all over the Asian countries. So I think so we should be taking the example of it, that how the condition of our India, and we will also be just prove that we will just do anything. It is not happening, because Indians toy industries are also totally dependent about the China's industry also. But now at time what is happening? We are just taking the example of it.
That I want to say want to give the answer of the Harish Bhaiya point, that he is saying about the cyber crime, that that from the Chinese app in the Australia, China China has hacked the server of China has hacked the server of the computers and the mobiles.
Because of that thing, the China just realized that India had the capacity to live with on their products, because all times the China has told that that they know that all the countries, they are using our things, so we have needs to do anything. But at that time our government is giving a too much good answer to his questions.
Our import levels or the percentage as compared to the imports are 10% more. So we should be just take it, and we will just import all the things what we should need.
By seeing all the incident and event which took place in the 2020, means in this year, I think that we should just understand that we should not play with the nature. If we will play with the nature, nature will play with us. I think that it is only depend upon the behavior of a person, that what he gives to the other means I mean to say that it is upon you, that if you give the good things to other, the return will be, means the outcome will be always the good things. And from seeing all the incident of the 2020, I would just like to say that we should live in the good manners. We should behave with a good way with our nature. And just if you will do this kind of a thing, our nature will never try this kind of a pandemic and disaster to our living being and to our human being.
Yeah, in the same way we shouldn't take as a uncomfortable, because what we were doing, that's the same thing we have just facing.
This is the result of our outcome.
This is the result of the environment.